right. So um, many people are from many parts of the world in this webinar. I'm aware of that. So I have to say this is available for every country, okay? Whether you are in the USA, whether you are in Europe or Middle East or Asia, this webinar is for you. So the first thing we are gonna do is to try to understand what is KNX Virtual. So KNX Virtual is a tool, it's a program, it's an application program that you install into your Windows PC or laptop or whatever, right? So it's a tool, it's a program. It's been developed by KNX International Association. It's free of charge. You can download it from my.knx.org account. All right. You just need to create an account here, my.knx.org, and you can download it for free. It's free of charge. Again, free of charge. So once you create your account at this website, here you can go to the shop. You can go to overview. You can down here and you can go to KNX Virtual, right? So this is the KNX Virtual. The price is 0. You buy, next, agree, and you will find under your products, right? Under your products. Once it's under your products, you can go here and you can download software, right? You can download the software. And this is what you are going to install into Windows. I'm going to skip that process. This is just an installation of a regular software. So I will not go in those details, right? This is not that important because I think it's generic. Everyone knows how to install a program. All right. So you don't need to license the program. You don't need to connect any license, any dongle or any nothing. Once you download it, you just execute, right? Actually, it's not a program that you install. It's a program that you execute, right? Okay. This is how it looks like. Let me open it. It's here. This is the first window that we see. What it says is, okay, IP address, this is localhost, that's your laptop, and this is the port. So by default, you can change the port, of course, but if not, you can leave it like this, right? So you click OK, and this is how it looks like.